How to access the terminal in Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can access the terminal in Visual Studio Code. So if you want to access the terminal in Visual Studio Code, there are basically two methods to do so. So if we talk about the first method, is that you simply click onto this view tab right here, and then once you will click onto this view tab at the top, you can see a number of options in this menu. Now one such option is this terminal option, so you can simply click onto this terminal option to launch the terminal, or you may also choose to press the control and backtick key combinations, which is shown right here, to access the terminal as well. So for example, if I click onto this terminal here, you can see that I have easily opened the terminal. So now let me simply close the terminal and I will show you the second and the more easiest method to do so. So now again, as you can see that I have closed my terminal, and now most of the time what happens is the terminal gets hidden below the screen. So if you want to appear it again, what you can do is simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen until you see these two-headed arrows and a little blue line onto the bottom of the screen. And here you can see that it is currently a little blue line and a double-headed arrow. So as soon as you find this, simply double click and move your cursor towards the top of the screen and you can see the terminal rolling out. Or if even if it is on some other console, let's say the output or the debug console, then you can easily switch it to the terminal right from this terminal tab. Or apart from that, you can also see these options. Using this plus button, you can add the PowerShell terminal if you like. So that's how easily you can add terminal in your Windows 11 in VS Code. Also, to clear out the terminal, you need to click onto these three dots, and from here you can click onto this clear terminal to clear anything which is currently on the terminal if you find anything. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.